Welcome to our Adobe After Effects tutorial. Today, we'll explore merging layers to streamline your projects. First, select the layers you wish to merge. Hold down the Command or Control key for multiple selections. Next, right-click on one of the highlighted layers to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose the Pre-Compose option from the menu to merge your selected layers. In the dialog box, name your new composition. This helps keep your project organized. Finally, click OK. Your layers are now merged into a single composition. Remember, merging layers can improve performance and make animations easier to manage. You can always unmerge layers by checking the composition settings in the project panel. Practice these steps to master layer management in After Effects and enhance your edits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video editing tips. Share your projects or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to help. Happy editing, and see you in the next tutorial.